All right, hello and welcome to the Postgrad Year. We're going to be talking about the Commonplace Binder. But first, what the heck's going on? So, I've been releasing videos like this on this channel. I've also been releasing videos on other channels just to prep for this because I wasn't totally comfortable with the face reveal. That's my face! What am I doing? So I had to work up to it. So I did that in 2021 with a gaming channel, 2022 with a around the house gardening channel, 2023 with 12 videos because I was like, I can sort of get it done, but I was freaking out. And then in 2024, I was going to post every single week. And in 2025, that is the focus of today's video. Look at that. What am I doing? What am I doing? That's so crazy. But I'm going to do it. 365 videos. That means a post every single day. And I mean like an actual video, like a 15-minute per day average. So, might not be able to do it, but the title of today's video should be A Chaotic and Ambitious Goal. So, ignoring this, and you've probably read this already. By the way, I did everything like 6 months to a year ahead of time. The reason why this is 26 is because I had prepped, half a year's worth for next year. And then I kept talking to people, and they were like, dude, I think you're just overthinking this. The reason why they're 37 subscribers is probably not that you have no ideas. It's probably you're just not posting, okay? So I was like, well, I already made it, so I guess I could post it. And I didn't post it immediately. But I'm getting a lot more comfortable putting out videos, which are basically me solving whatever my problem is. So, for example, I've done 2 videos like this. This might be the 3rd one, but we're going to set this down. Too much explaining. So, for every video, I have a plan page. Basically, I write down the ideas as to what I'm going to be working on. And I don't necessarily make it work, but I try to. And then afterwards, that goes into the Commonplace Binder. Now, you might be familiar with the Commonplace book. They normally don't look like this. So, the fact that this opens and there are rings is a little bit unusual. So, yeah, look at that. So, normally what people would do is they would just have, I don't know if I have a good example here. I'm just going to grab something off the bookshelf. I realize I'm not talking to the headset, but I need to wear the headset during the day, because otherwise the people wandering around are going to freak me out, and then we're never going to get any videos done. So normally what people have is more like this. It's just some random thing. That's kind of gross. I don't know what that is. Dust! So yeah, someone would find something totally random like this, and would just slap a bunch of things on to make it theirs. And I guess if you wanted really weird vibes, kind of like somebody who doesn't add a background on their phone, you could always leave it like this. If you're trying to hide whatever you're working on in a bunch of stacks, like if for whatever reason you're like super paranoid, I guess you could always keep it in something like this, not add any labels on it, and then that way it would be kind of like the story of the leprechaun who hides the gold under a flower, or like a sunflower, and then the person comes back and the entire field is filled with sunflowers. So it's not that they removed it, it's just hidden in the weeds. So we're going to put that back. Should probably actually use that at some point. Ooh, that's fun. Forgot I had this. I think I got this as a gift. I just never got to it, because I don't really use the small notepads. It's probably fine. I guess this is a notebook. Pro notebook. Yeah, just a thing. The point is, you can really work with whatever you want. I use something more like this, unless I'm doing stuff online or digitally. There are a lot of benefits to digital versus analog, although most people, if they've done it for long enough, will tell you to have a little bit of both, because keeping track of certain things is very, very annoying when using one of the different forms, and it depends on which thing you're working on. For example, when I'm working on daily tasks, I don't want to see those on a computer. I don't want to look at a screen. I really don't want to have to deal with that, especially because sometimes you might wake up and there's just like no power in your house. Like the electricity might be out, and it's like, what am I going to do today? No idea. On the other hand, if all your tasks are digital, then you're not doing those anyway. So there's no real worry there. So this has been 5 minutes, basically saying I am going to be churning out videos like an absolute crazy person for this entire year. So they won't be the most super high editing, like, kind of thing. But I think you're probably okay with some guy just, like, wiggling his hands around, you know? At least that's what happened in the gooseneck video, which, as of, you know, assuming the schedule stays, would have been a few weeks ago. So hope you're totally fine with me just screwing around and delivering approximate information sometimes. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.